This is a 3-year-old male American Staff Mastiff cross. They have him set to be euthanized on the 18th, and wait till you see this dog's eyes. This dog, look at that. Oh my gosh. For anybody who's old enough to know who Paul Newman is, I think this is a reincarnation of Paul Newman. Yes. Oh, and he seems so sweet. He does, and look at his tail going. Look at him. I'm giving him scratches. Yes. Oh, you want to go home with somebody, huh? You deserve that. Look at him. That is just stunning. His coloring with those eyes. I wish I had blue eyes like that. I do. And he's a good-sized dog. He just seems to have a wonderful temperament. Yes, he does. Let me see you again. Let's see those pretty eyes. Come here. Let's see.